Hi! In front of me is tablet DELL RUGGED 7220 Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings and choosing System on the left. Following that, you can tap on Rename under the scope right away, or scroll all the way down and tap on About. Then choose Rename this PC at the top. Type in wherever you wish to. And when you finished, hit Next in the pop-up. Lastly, decide if you wish to restart your device now or later. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!